Welcome back to another BUC-EE'S construction update video. Today's Friday, February 14th, 2025.
Happy Valentine's Day.
What'd you get me for Valentine's Day, Sonia?
I can't say on camera. I got you some high lottery tickets. We win big.
We decided to come down here on Friday this week because this weekend is not looking good weather-wise. It's supposed to be a lot of rain. It looks like mostly rain down here, but up where we live, it's going to be rain, snow, and ice.
Yeah, some ice tonight. This is Friday, so Friday night, light ice.
So we thought we would come down here and get the video while we could. And also next week, the temperatures are going to go down into the single digits, so winter's hanging on here in Ohio.
That groundhog was right.
So Sonia, I think for the last time I'm going to ask you, how about them power poles?
John Esper, they are now moved out of the ground. Saw them going down the road.
We actually, our timing was just right today. As we pulled up to the location, we passed one of the AES trucks hauling away a couple poles, which I'm going to assume were the poles that were out there. So the utility poles have been removed. The new ones are installed. The wires are in place. So another hurdle out of the way.
They should be able to get to that building a little bit better now because they have nowhere to worry nothing about above them.
Yep. The drone video shows us when we look at the building location. I think you can see the outline of the three entrances to the store in the front, the south, and the north.
Starting to take form.
Also, the north parking lot looks like it's pretty well in place for asphalt or concrete. It looks
yeah, it looks like they got the drainage in the ground over there. The
south parking lot not so much, but the north parking lot, it looks like it's about ready. The picture will show that. Over by the fuel storage tanks, it looks like they're getting ready to cover them up. There's some equipment sitting there. A lot of dirt next to where the tanks went in the ground. There's also some new equipment sitting out on the construction site that we haven't seen before. So things are moving along. If the weather doesn't slow them down too much, I think they're going to get a lot of progress here in the next couple weeks.
Yeah, as soon as they get that ground prep done, they should be able to get to those walls for the building now, since there's no obstructions above that.
So it's all starting to take shape here. And I think that's going to do it for today. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you can keep up with all these BUC-EE'S construction update videos. As always, thanks for watching.
See ya down the road.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Bye for now.
Bye.
When we arrived at the location, there was a utility truck hauling away some utility poles. We're guessing these were the poles that were removed from what's soon to be the location of the new BUC-EE'S building.